Alright, hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So it's time to wash and retwist my son's hair. So I decided that I wanted to start retwisting his hair with just aloe vera gel and vitamin E. So I'm going to be making my own from scratch. Here I have an aloe vera leaf. I believe I got this one from my local Walmart. You can get it at your local Kroger's. Really, mostly any grocery store should have them. I've had this one for a while and it's kind of starting to turn brown a little bit, so I'm going to go ahead and use it. It's best to just buy these whenever you know that you're going to use it. It lasts 10 days in the refrigerator. So when I first made this originally, I used a knife and I cut off the spike edges first. I'm going to try something to see if this is a little bit easier, and I'm going to use some scissors. I think I might like the knife better because this is pretty thick. Yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and use the knife. So first I'm going to go ahead and scrape the smaller side. And I'm going to be scraping everything onto the cutting board. Okay, so now I'm about to blend it up. I know last time when I used this, I blended it like a little, it blended it a little too much to the point to where it was kind of foamy. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this one at first. I really don't want it too much chopped up or foamy like how it was last time. This is how it's looking. Oh wait, there's one thing I forgot to add before I blend it up. We're gonna go ahead and add our vitamin E oil. So I'm gonna just open it up. I don't want it to get too foamy, y'all. That's like my main concern of stirring it. I just want to get like the main chunks out. And I can already see the bubbles starting to form, and I don't like that, but this is how it's looking. So I don't feel too many chunks in here. I'm just gonna do it a couple more times, like really quick. You see the air bubbles in there? Okay, so after blending everything to the consistency that I want, it's time to go ahead and add it into our jar. Before I go ahead and add it into the jar, I'm going to be using this sifter. I've seen other people use stocking caps, but I honestly just don't feel like getting my hands any more messy than what they already are. So I decided to go ahead and use this sifter. Now you're going to go ahead and pour it in through here. When you pour it in, make sure you don't over pour it like I did. I poured so much that it started oozing out of the sides. So just make sure you're careful with that, queens. So this is the remaining of the stuff I have left. I'm just going to go ahead and throw this away. And there you have it. If you want, you can go ahead and label your jar. On the top of my jar, I'm going to go ahead and put the expiration date. Like I stated before, aloe vera lasts 10 days refrigerated. I made this on May 4th, so the expiration date is going to go ahead and be May 14th. There you go, queens, your very own aloe vera gel plus vitamin E made from scratch. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one.